Welcome to visit our group in Computex 2024. Our group number is R0214.
This printer in this area is our handle printer, kiosk printer, car printer, the 2-inch thermal resist printer, and the 3-inch thermal resist printer. In this area is the industrial printers, the thermal label printers, and the 2-inch wristband label printers. This printer is showing the raw mount printing work. This printer can support Blue 4 eco-friendly paper. The next area is thermal label printers with different sizes. The final area is included the Android printers, mobile printers, the household printers such as A4 printers, label makers with different fashion and interesting outlook. This yellow one is our new mobile printer which have 2 and 3-inch. Outlook is very cute and modern, similar like the cartoon character minions. And this too long one is new A4 printer PA2 PA3. It can be used to print out the photo documents. You can connect it with mobile phone by Bluetooth, then print out the file that you want in everywhere.